There are lots of bird populations, types of birds, families of birds, single species of birds, and every year when we track their populations, many of them have reduced population size every year.
Purple martins are really kind of a special situation. They're really the only bird in North America and Canada that's completely dependent on human-supplied housing. They don't nest in natural structures at all any longer. So they are dependent on humans continuing to provide safe and available housing for them. In addition to the fantastic garden and pond and everything else, we have some purple martin housing. And the purple martin housing is set up to where we can raise it and lower it and have the kids get involved with checking the nest and even prepare the nest for the birds that are migrating back in, then raise the housing back up and just wait for the first arrivals for this new season.
The success stories are birds like purple martins that we have adapted our life and they have adapted their life to make it work in modified, heavily human-influenced environments.
My name is Patrick Walther. I'm a wildlife biologist with the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. I'm stationed at Texas Chenier Plains National Wildlife Refuge. This area is really unique. Large percentage of the waterfowl in the Central Flyway come through this area and land down here. Shorebirds coming down through this area, the migration going south here for the winter and then back north again. We've been banding snow geese down here off and on since the 1970s.
Right now we're watching the geese be as smart as they can be. We've got cannon nets set up where we can catch the geese and not harm them. We're going to put some bands on them for tracking. It's simple information, but the information goes into a computer and the computer tells us a lot of things that we can't think of on our own. It tells us how far they travel and when they travel and the condition they're in when they get here. And when they take the bands off, the bands are reported on date and location, so it's an important bunch of information.
Houston is a lucky city. We have lots of nonprofits and government agencies in this field, and so it's important that we all work together because there's more power in numbers and there's more power in synergy, and it's really exciting to see that.